At Scene Clean, we offer our full range of services in Plymouth. Services including death-related jobs such as maybe a homicide, a suicide, body decomposition, blood trauma cleanup, or drug-related cleanup or hoarding cleanup. And in the past year, we've helped several families or residential or commercial clients. So at Scene Clean, we will handle your whole project for you, from both the remediation side of things all the way through the rebuilding, if that's needed. We are a preferred vendor for many of the large insurance carriers that provide services in our area. But the process really starts when the customer calls or emails us. We try and be at all emergency work sites within a couple hours. If it's an insurance-related claim or job, we will try and be there within 24 hours. And the days of needing multiple estimates for insurance companies are no longer with the software that's out there now. If it is a drug or hoarding-related job, we will meet the customer out at the job site and provide them a written estimate. In the end, our goal with all of our clients is that they only have to pay their deductible as their only out-of-cost expense. The consequences for not hiring a professional could be issues with filing your claim and getting reimbursed for the claim. There are several companies in the area that say they offer biohazard cleaning services, when the reality is many of them also do, or primarily do, fire and water restoration and maybe only handle a dozen biohazard claims a year. Whereas we at Scene Clean do nothing but biohazard and handle hundreds of these a year. The biggest difference with us is we are local and we have a great reputation and we do everything we can to make sure our customer is happy in the end.